Now, Action 10's Cole Vaughn with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, over the past several days, we have had some windy conditions around the area, and that even included parts of Brownsville, where strong winds toppled a SpaceX Mach rocket down there. 50-mile-per-hour winds broke the mooring blocks, and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk tweeted out that it will take weeks to repair the damage to the recently completed prototype. The rocket is supposed to be used to take people to Mars. Unfortunate circumstance, thanks to all that wind we've seen over the past couple of days. Still plenty breezy out there today. You're looking live at the marina, and those winds have been coming off the Gulf. Right now coming in at about 13 miles per hour, temperature at 64 degrees, and the dew point nice and low, so it's dry air outside. It's made for a fantastic day to be out and about in the coastal bend. We actually have a cold front, though, that is sitting just hours away. It's sitting up there from Dallas down toward Big Bend. It doesn't have significantly cooler air on the back side of it, though, and there's not any rain associated with it, so this is kind of going to be a non-event for us as it moves through. There's not going to be any drastic changes for tomorrow, because watch what happens. All of the cooler air is up there in Oklahoma and far north Texas. As the cold front begins to glide to the south, we're actually going to watch the colder air begin to shift more off to the east as opposed to moving directly to the south in our region. So we're not really going to be experiencing a cool down tomorrow, despite the fact that we will have a very weak cold front move through overnight tonight and through early tomorrow morning. One thing that we are going to see, though, is an increase in cloud cover overnight. We had the beautiful blue sky today, but look at what Future Tracker is showing by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Already a lot of clouds over the coastal bend. There's going to be some periods of clouds and then periods of sun as we go throughout the afternoon, but you do see that by the evening hours we've still got plenty of clouds in the region. Then as we head into tomorrow night and Saturday, the clouds are going to increase a big time, and then we're also going to see some rain begin to develop down to our south portions of the Gulf of Mexico, and then especially down there near the valley is where most of this rain is going to be forming. Look at what the setup is, though, around lunchtime on Saturday. We do have a pretty potent weather system sitting over the mountains of Mexico, but instead of moving directly across the coastal bend, it's going to take a bit of a nosedive to the south. So that means the rain chances are going to scoot a little bit further to the south as well. So notice where all of this rain is located, mostly over the valley and the Gulf. Corpus Christi on the northern end of most of this rain. As we go throughout the afternoon, we'll still see some of that rain right there to our south. So contrary to what we've been seeing lately, where most of the rain has been focused to the north with those cold fronts moving through, the best rain chances on Saturday are actually going to be for the southern coastal bend, I would say from a line of about Corpus Christi and then points to the south. Then as we head into Sunday, area of low pressure is going to move over the Gulf of Mexico. It's taking the rain with it, and we see clearing skies. So Sunday's definitely going to be the day to be outside. We're going to have sunny skies. Temperature is going to be in the upper 60s. It's going to be a very comfortable day. Now, with the rain chances sliding further south, so do the rainfall totals. You see about an inch down there in Brownsville, portions of South Padre Island. But as you're looking at Corpus Christi, we're a little bit further to the north. I would say we're going to see some patchy totals of maybe 1/4 of an inch, but there are going to be plenty of folks that miss out on the rain, especially to the north of the coastal bend. So here's tomorrow's forecast. We're going to start the day a little cool again, but not quite as cool as what we were earlier today. 47 degrees to start our day, 62 by lunchtime, then we're headed to 65 for the afternoon high. Wind still coming mainly out of the east to southeast at times, so it's still going to be increasing the moisture across the area as we head into tomorrow. Well, now it's time for your 7-day forecast, brought to you by AutoNation. Gear up with a new truck. AutoNation's New Year New Truck event is on. Rush to the AutoNation store near you. So no rain chances for tomorrow, but as we head into Saturday, that's when they start to ramp up. Again, it's going to mainly be for the southern part of our viewing area. The rest of us are just going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies, temperature around 63 degrees. As we head into Sunday, we increase the sunshine. That warms up our temperature a tad more, up to around 68. We really warm up as we head into Monday, back into the 70s, but a cold front moves through between Monday and Tuesday. It's going to make it windy on Tuesday, but those temperatures are going to be back down into the lower 50s, and they pretty much stay in the 50s through Wednesday because we're going to increase the cloud cover. We're not totally going to clear out behind this next cold front, and that's going to help keep things a little bit cooler for the middle of next week. Sonia?